Hello, uh, let me welcome you on this video on the Regional Center Portal of the clearinghouse mechanism at the BRS Secretariat. This initiative was supported generously by Norway, and we are very grateful. It is about concentrating all the data which is located on the regional center websites. The principle is that regional centers make available their publications, events, contacts, and news so that they are channeled through a central regional center portal where all this can be searched for and compared. The, the protocol that was decided to be used already a while ago is OData, and we started in 2019 to provide an API that was implemented uh, for Senegal successfully, and which is available for the regional center if they want to implement their own API. However, we also noticed that many of the regional centers use WordPress as a web system. And we took advantage of this to build, to program, to develop an API, a specific plugin, which can be installed on WordPress. And this way, the post can be of the regional center can be exposed directly to the regional center portal. And here is the GitHub where the software is being located and can be downloaded by clicking here, download zip, and then of course here you have all the information about how to proceed and what it is doing and how to install. But basically, you go into your WordPress website, you click on Add New in the section Plugin as an administrator, you add the plugin, you select the zip file, and then you will have this BRSCHM, clearinghouse mechanism, being present, and you just need to activate it. And once you activate it, the magic is that if you look at your posts and you edit a post, then you will see that on the right side, you will have this little box telling you, asking you to say whether it's a document, an event, a news, a contact. And if it is a document, then you can select the topic which is related, and this will go in the tags of the post. For example, this post about Aldrin was about bioaccumulation, biodegradation. It's all the standard keywords which are available, which are standard keywords of BRS. Now, if you want to add additional keywords, for example, marine litter, which would make sense, then you add this as a tag, and you can actually have marine litter also included into the specific tags associated to this post. The same for chemicals. This is about aldrin, so it's aldrin, but you could also select other chemical products as relevant. And then this post on aldrin monitoring in freshwater fish, which it will be it will be made available, exposed in OData basically. And being exposed in OData, it will be available to updating the central regional center portal. And basically, if you would make a query, for example, here we make a query to your website, then you will see that this post has been made available to the clearinghouse mechanism, and this is the information which is available and which is being imported into the uh, regional center portal. And this is why now you see here all the posts from all the regional center. You can of course tick and untick centers, huh? But if you look now for one containing Aldrin, you will see that the Aldrin monitoring freshwater fish is actually imported in the regional center portal, which is the goal. The same for events, contacts, and news. Now we have here an event which has actually entered in the as a post here. For example, if you look in the post, here we have virtual regional training series on human health and blah, blah. This, if you edit it, you will see that it's a meeting. You have a post of a meeting, of course. You will say it is an event. I want to share it on the CHM, but you need also additional fields, information, event status, category, what country it is. Here it's online, so it's online, and so on. So you can, by installing this plugin, you will have all the necessary fields to specify a contact, a news, an event, or a document, which is very useful. And of course, if it's a contact, if you have another post about a contact, then like this one, for example, here you have the fields necessary to specify a contact. And all this will be basically imported through the OData into the regional center. And this is what we are looking for. So um, that's very good. So basically, this is what I want to show you and to encourage you to go on the GitHub which the link is provided below this video, and to start installing it on your WordPress website, and to start to select the post you want to expose to the regional center. As simple as that. So I'm looking forward to see your data flowing through, and I wish you an excellent day, and thank you very much for your attention.